Everyone, I'm Sneha. I completed my schooling this year, so I got to know about this internship through Instagram, and I decided why not to do this. So this internship is a 3-day package, and this trains you with self development, goal setting strategies, and financial education. So day one was about debunking all the kinds of myths that you have in your brain, the kind of blame you put on others for not achieving a goal. So this made me self-realize about myself, the things that I need to do in order to get a better and a clear vision about my goals. The day two was about goal setting strategies, the things you need to do while setting a goal and things you should not do while setting a goal. And day three was about financial education. Honestly, this was the best part of the internship because there were so many things that not your parents, neither your institutions teach you. So I think everyone should try this because financial education is something that everybody needs, and a lot of people face financial issues, so this is a must. So please go for the internship, do this, and have a great day. Thank you.